everybody, I just wanted to show you guys my new deluxe salon trolley that I just got here. It comes in a really cute pink color. It is super nice in regards to storage. It has accessory storage here for my curling irons. It has bottle storage here in regards to if I wanted to do like a spray bottle or my shampoo bottles. And then it has holders up here at the top and a cute little holder, well not cute, but a nice little holder for my blow dryer. So it comes with drawers that slide in and out, and then the doors that do come with a lock. And then the wheels roll really well. I really recommend this product. It was pretty easy to get to put together. I'll show you step-by-step here in just a minute. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. We have enjoyed it. I recommend it. Okay, step one, put both sides on. So they have directions on them. So top end goes up, push them on in. Next step would be to put the back on. So you'd slide this right into the center here and clip it in. Okay guys, next step would be the wheel. So you do have a little tool that they give you. So these ones are already in, but you would just stick this in here. And you can't just twist it because it'll just spin around. So that's what you would use your little wrench here for, and kind of give it a few spins in until it got to the bottom. Okay, next up you would just slide this door here right through the panel here. And then there's a little piece that you put on. It indicates that it's the front and it indicates where to go. You just clip this in and pop it together. And once I put the other piece on, it'll tighten up. Okay, your next step would be to pop this in the little holes here in the slide. And slide it on in. And then the top piece indicates the front here. You would just pop these here in. Okay, next you just put the 4 screws right here in the top. Okay guys, the next side would be the side compartments. There's 2 of them. I already put one on. So what you would do is they just have these little clips and you just align them up to the side and kind of have to snap them on in, but there they are. Next step, you put your accessory holder in. So you would just slide this in here. It does just kind of slide in. You can clip it in, but I'm not going to adjust it here. And then the ring holder too for the blow dryer. And then there is a cover here for this side. Next step would be to install these. These we use for bottle holders, storage. They easily just slip in. Okay, the next step would be to install your drawers. And for that, you would just slide them on in.